New for you this morning, the days of packed waiting rooms and toys to calm nervous kids may be long gone as dental clinics reopen across Missouri. Color 10's Nyjah McDonald reached out to several local dentists to learn more on what you can expect. And Nyjah, what did you find out?
Well, good morning, Lauren. Your next trip to the dentist could include some added protective measures, like having your temperature checked to waiting in your car. The dentists I spoke with say they're doing all they can to keep both their staff and patients safe. Missourians can now have their teeth checked and cleaned at the dentist again for the first time in almost 2 months. But as Dr. Massey explains, that process does look different.
It's kind of a unique environment. We don't use the waiting room anymore at our office, and I know a lot of offices are that way.
Massey says staff meet patients at their cars instead.
They call when they arrive. We meet them at the car, take their temperature. You know, they answer a questionnaire about travel and have you been around anybody who's been sick. And, you know, and if they don't pass the questionnaire, so to speak, then they would be rescheduled for 2 weeks out.
He says this new protocol is their first line of defense against trying not to bring the virus into the office.
I think that dental offices are good at infection control. They always have been.
Massey says they've also added UV lights
in the ductwork. We run an ozone machine overnight, and so trying to keep air quality up is kind of a new normal for us.
Dr. Howard Shane also owns a local practice and says safety measures will vary from office to office.
It is up to the individual dentist to use their professional judgment in order to decide what is appropriate in their office.
Shane says they too are asking patients to wait in their cars.
We are having them call the office when they get here. Then one of our assistants goes out into our little vestibule and they take their temperature, their blood pressure, and ask them several questions regarding the COVID-19 virus.
He says once cleared, patients are taken directly to their treatment rooms. Well, it's important to mention that Missouri dentists were never mandated to close their practices. Instead, the American Dental Association recommended all dentists postpone non-urgent dental procedures through April 30th to help slow the spread of COVID-19.